To set up the channel 5 to drum, right-click and rename the channel. Click the equalizer and enter these values. If you're setting an acoustic drum, the high band should have a 1.5 gain with 10,000 Hz. But if you're setting an electric drum, for the high band should be -2. Click the Noise Gate tab and enter these settings. Click the Compressor tab and enter these settings. If the channel noise gate and compressor is gray, it means it is disabled. Make sure to click and enable it. We had configured the drum in channel 5.